Welcome to your Armo Monthly Roundup. We're thrilled to share exciting updates on our platform that enhance your ability to detect, manage, and respond to threats across your Kubernetes workloads and cloud environment, all from one unified location. Let's get started. We've introduced a coverage visibility feature that adds a coverage widget to the threat detection dashboard. This lets you instantly view which clusters and cloud accounts are being monitored and identify potential gaps. This way, you'll always know what's protected and what's not. Next, we have the Threat Widgets, which provide a clear view of the most common and critical threats in your environment all in one place. This feature will help you quickly spot patterns, identify recurring risks, and prioritize your response. Ever wondered when anomaly detection kicks in? Now, you can monitor workload learning status and see exactly which workloads have completed learning and which ones are still in the learning mode. This ensures you know exactly when the anomaly detection becomes fully active, eliminating guesswork. We're also introducing the blast radius visualization feature. This new tab in the incident view shows which system services and data could be affected by a breach, helping you better contain attacks and prioritize remediation based on what matters most. You can also adjust the network port and protocol vulnerabilities and incident layers. Clicking on the workload in the blast radius view reveals the full risk details and application profile, including processes, files, API calls, syscalls, and Linux capability, as well as the network. We've also enhanced our response capabilities. From the incident viewer, you can now pause or stop containers, kill malicious processes, and we've added full auditing for every response action. This means faster remediation, better compliance, and no need to switch between tools. All these updates are live, so log in and check them out. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay secure.